Hello, yeah, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here I am back with one interesting video, and this video is very good for your health, and it is related to the coronavirus, which is very common nowadays. Yeah, so how you can protect you from the coronavirus, I'll be telling you in this video. So I'm doing this before Women's Day because I want every woman to spread this information as more as you can. Yeah, because like we women can protect our family, our children, our husband, our means elders and all. Yeah, so yeah, so today I'll be telling you like this coronavirus is spread widely. Yeah, so there is no cure of it, but you can protect yourself by wearing mask, by having cleanliness, by using sanitizer, by washing your hands again and again. Yeah, so see, there is no such mask which protect you from the coronavirus. Yeah. So here I am using the surgical mask. Yeah. So it comes in various colors. Yeah. So don't be confused like water means which is the real one. All these are the surgical mask. Yeah. So see how you have to wear it. Actually, yesterday I gone through a metro and I saw that one lady was wearing the surgical mask, but she was not using properly. Then there is no use of wearing it, because the main aim after wearing this mask is to protect yourself from the outside air or the virus which is in the air. Means the person, if someone is sneezing, how to protect you from the bacteria which is released from the person. Yeah, so like this is a mask and it contains a wire. Yeah, this wire is of aluminium, and this you have to set up to the bridge of your nose. Yeah, and these are the ends which you have to tie at the back of your ears. Yeah, and this is a three plates. Yeah, and it is water resistant. Yeah, and you have to pull it, yeah, like this, in order to avoid in getting to the atmosphere. Yeah, so see, I'm placing this mask to the bridge of my nose, and I'll adjust it according to my nose shape and size. And after this, just hold on and tie to the ears. And once it is done, yeah, just pull the lower end below your chin line. Yeah, so now you can do it like this. No air is released outside through your mouth. So now you are safe, and this is the correct use of this surgical mask, and it just costs like 10-12 bucks. Yeah, so you have to use, yeah, once in a day, once this surgical mask whole day. Yeah, so and moreover you can protect yourself through the hand wash more and more. If you are using the public places and more, you wash your hands. Yeah, and use sanitizer as much as you can. Yeah, and eat a very good and healthy food. And there is a rumor that drink ginger water, eat garlic, cloves. Yeah, but there is no cure of it. It only boosts up your immunity. Yeah, so eat healthy food as long as your immunity is stronger. Yeah, the coronavirus will not affect you. And one more thing, like if coronavirus is not affecting the younger age, but to the adults, to the children, it is affecting very much. Yeah, so please stay safe, and I request every woman to spread out this information to this Women's Day, and be happy, be healthy, and be beautiful. Happy Women's Day in advance.